Easy Lab.
Easy Lab.
Hi, hello, and welcome to a creative episode of Creative Biomed. In search of technical advancements in biomedical field, we have come to an IT solution company of Praveen sir and Manohar sir. Excited to talk to them.
ഈസി ലാബ് പേര് പോലെ തന്നെ മെഡിക്കൽ സിസ്റ്റത്തെ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ ഈസി ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തൊരു ആപ്ലിക്കേഷനാണ് ഈസി ലാബ്. ഇതിൽ മെയിനായിട്ടും വരുന്നത് രണ്ട് തിങ്സ് ആണ്. ഒന്ന് బుక్ టెస్ట్, ഒന്ന് పెర్ఫార్మ్ టెస్ట్.
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ గురించి చెప్తున్నాం. ఈజీ ల్యాబ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అంటే హాస్పిటల్స్, క్లినికల్స్, ల్యాబొరేటరీస్లో యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఇది ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, ఇంటర్నెట్ అవసరం లేదు. మనము ఇంటర్నెట్ లేకున్న ద్వారా చేసుకోవచ్చు. మన జస్ట్ ల్యాప్టాప్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంటే చాలా మనకి ఈజీగా చేసుకోవచ్చు.
लैब वालों को जो ऑटोमेशन चाहिए वो सॉफ्टवेयर देगा और वो सब लैब प्रोसेसेस वो हैंडल कर लेगा. तो हम चलते हैं और देखते हैं ये प्रोसेस कैसा होगा करके.
Hello, welcome to a creative episode of Creative Biomed. The world is changing. It is getting technically automated. Even India is changing to digital India. And in this scenario, it is important for the health sector also to be technically advanced. So to give a clear idea regarding the need of technical advancement, we have Mr. Praveen sir from the IT field to give a clear idea. It's a great honor for us to have you today with us.
Thank you, sir. So you are providing a platform where I can share the inputs what I have gained from the field, okay, and probably this might help a lot of people who are into healthcare or who are taking services into healthcare.
Now, our doubt is like, what is the need of changing to digital in the health sector?
People generally now also tend to use MS Word or Excel to giving the reporting aspect. So what is happening is, even though it is not a proper digitalization, because you don't have any logic or understanding of the data, how you are keeping it across. Because you know a library. Why we have conducted a library? Whatever information we need, we can go over there and collect this information at any point, given point. Now the same thing, we have e-libraries where all the manual scripts has been converted into digitalized scripts, and you can avail wherever you are in the world. You can just log in into the system and get the data, correct? So that is the power of digitalization. Now when comes into healthcare, these are also vital data, okay, which are very very important, and this data or this information can save one's life. So now how important it is to have a digitalization of this data, correct? You will agree with this?
Yes.
Okay. Now second point, when you are doing a manual process of either typing just to give a printout, the basic idea is I want to give a printout, but while doing this they will do lot of errors, correct? So when they are basically the gender, sometimes it will remain female only for male, or age, or typo error is tremendous. And also the human resources what is required, trained, is too much necessary, because if they are basically non-conscious while entering those datas, 100% sure you cannot maintain a quality, and that will adversely affect your business also, as well as your branding also. These people won't think.
And also it saves a lot of time.
Exactly. It saves your time, it saves your resource, okay, it provides you a branding, it gives you the quality. And secondly, when a customer comes and he requests you for a backdated data, so you will find it very difficult. Wherein the data is digitalized and it is there, you can always go in and get the data. When there is a business aspect, there is lot of security concerns also. Everything, every penny is a hard-earned money. So there should be a security wherein you can control, you can have a track of all the earnings what you are having, or whatever the expenses is going on, or a proper control of all the process what is happening. What the scenario is, this digitalization has to basically reach the corner parts of all the rural areas. And when that is possible, then you will get the actual success. If you have without internet also, you have electricity, okay, and you have a system. This is a basic initiative of digitalization, which will further on improvise. And if you want, where you have a better connectivity and all, then always you have the online stuff. And then if you want to give further services, then comes the mobile computing aspects. This is what. But
Then you will stick with this and it will progress to mobile and other forms. of the
first
level of-
is the without internet. So we call it as a standalone applications. Standalone application doesn't require any internet. Only for certain services, like I want to mail my reports, okay, and that uses, okay, Gmail or emailing services, which are basically internet dependent. Only for that processes you need internet.
Turning these things digital and sending all emails and all these things will be difficult for people. Basically the people in the rural areas do not have that much technical knowledge. And at the same time, if they're not having internet, means how can they adapt to these services?
We have worked thoroughly with labs, with the technicians and the people in the industry. And even my background was linked with the same industry. So I do understand what the industry requires, what are the basic terminologies or what are the pain points of this area. And through lot of evolution, we have a very good product which will address the pain points of the customers.
We are producing the software for labs and pharmacies as well as hospitals. We are employing engineers, technical field. So we give them training as well as we take the services. Our customers are well satisfied with our service, and whenever they call, we take the call and give the services to them so that they should not suffer, and their labs should, or hospitals, labs or pharmacies, it should work continuously without any disturbance. That is our motto.